Hello beautiful llamas. So for today, I would like to show you my weekly reset routine. I hope some of the tips here can help you find a good system so that you are able to tackle on the weeks ahead. Monday through Saturday are usually my productive days. As most of you know, I work as a substitute teacher here in New York, and as you can imagine, going to work with the pandemic is a little stressful, as well as doing our best to be there for the kids during these hard times. Saturdays are the days I usually film my more creative content, unless it's a simpler video that I can do throughout the week. Also, slowly I've been working on making macro videos on Instagram and TikTok. I'm grateful for my work, but on Sunday I need to recharge to feel good. So because Monday through Saturday are working days, Sunday has become my no one can touch me days. Sunday is my big self-care day to clear all the fog from the whole week. I used to not like Sundays, but after finding a system that works well for me, I feel like I'm mindfully ready for the weeks ahead. This reset routine has made me more grounded, present, and has me feeling calm. So I hope some of these tips can help you. The first thing I like to do is stretch on my bed a little and roll my shoulders to help with posture. Then I would go into fixing my bed, brushing my teeth. I can't start the day without brushing my teeth. Bring down any kitchen utensils I brought to my room to get them washed. Then I do a little light cleaning in my room, as well as help my mom do some chores in the kitchen just to make her day a little easier ahead. Also, I hate mess, so I definitely want it gone. Simple productivity helps me feel like I'm moving forward. I count them as small wins. For a calming environment, I like to turn on my Himalayan salt lamp and my oil diffuser. These pleasant things make me vibe different. For breakfast, I'm usually a light eater. I just enjoy a simple green juice smoothie and it makes me feel light in my mind and physically as well. I also make some for my parents too. So after reorganizing a little mess, I indulge in an intense self-care routine, starting with a shower and bringing all my favorite beauty products to help me feel transformed. Water is very healing for me. As a Pisces moon and Scorpio rising, it detoxes my heaviness I feel throughout the week. So after a beautiful shower, I continue my self-care with skincare. Something I like to do for my skincare is use my Ida facial steamer. This has become a huge game changer in my beauty routine. I next apply a mask. I really love this Himalayan salt charcoal mask from the Body Shop. It detoxes the skin for a smooth appearance. It is a nice light exfoliator and leaves my face soft. Then I go in with a few other face essentials. By the way, I recommend this towel wrap for the hair. It is amazing and dries 75% of the water in your hair after a shower and leaves the hair looking healthier. Then I will return my body to a new set of PJs because it feels good. Who doesn't like feeling cozy? After that, I like to open my window and let the sunlight in. Make sure you protect your skin with sunscreen and get some natural vitamin D since we see less of the sun in the winter time. I like to sit next to my window and meditate for about 10 to 15 minutes and focus on clearing my mind and eliminate or let go of anything from the past that doesn't serve me anymore. We all go through ups and downs, and it's good to reflect on them, but it's also good to let them go. After all of this, it's lunchtime. Remember, don't neglect giving nutrients to your body. During this time, I like to set up for the work week by meal prepping my lunch ahead for work. I then set up my clothes and make sure my book bag is ready for work. For the evening, I usually just like to relax, watch TV, or lately I've been doing mini art projects on Photoshop because it's been a good way to stay creative, and I usually like to listen to lo-fi music while doing this. Next to me is some water or tea. I like to drink tea at night because it puts me in a very spiritual, calm mood and also gets me ready for sleep. When I go to the schools to work, I usually sleep around 9:45, 10 o'clock. So it's good to relax your body and give your body sufficient hours of sleep so you can wake up feeling energized the next day. Taking care of your body, mind, and soul is treating yourself kindly. It's good to treat yourself. A reset honestly leaves me feeling in a better mood, and I feel like I can handle anything. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you all on my next video. If you have any other ways to reset, I would love to hear them down below in the comments.